Palawan Philippine Experience by the Department of Tourism. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat at kayo po ngayon ay sinasalubong ng Sabang Elementary School or Kabayugan Elementary School Drum and Live. Sa Puerto Princesa Subterranean River and National Park. Welcome to our delegates, guests, and officials in our Palawan Philippine Experience where we showcase culture, heritage, and arts. Tayo po ngayon. Doon po sa waiting area po natin sa kabila. Meron po tayong upuan doon at malililiman. Yes po, doon po tayo. So all our guests, matapos po natin malagyan ng stamp ang ating mga Palawan Philippine Experience passports, pwede po tayo doon sa side. You can sit and wait for the signal so we can go to our Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park 2. Once again, welcome to all our delegates in our Palawan Philippine Experience by the Department of Tourism. Mabuhay at pasyal kita dito sa Puerto Princesa Subterranean River and National Park. And ladies and gentlemen, we will also be entertained by the Sabang Elementary School in their Pagdiwata dance. And this dance is a Tabanwa dance of Thanksgiving for a bountiful rice harvest, along with food offerings and departed king. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome Sabang Elementary School. successful in their Pagdiwata Dance. How about giving them a round of applause? Maraming salamat po for entertaining and welcoming us to Bayugan Elementary School and Sabang Elementary School. Again, welcome and mabuhay pasyal kita digis sa Palawan at narito po tayo ngayon sa Puerto Princesa Subterranean River and National Park. Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park encompasses one of the world's most impressive cave systems, featuring spectacular limestone karst landscapes, pristine natural beauty, and intact old-growth forests and distinctive wildlife. It is located in the south.
Lakbayin, tuklasin ng masilayan, nakataang kalaman ng matutagpuan sa may bandang kanluran. Dito'y hiwaga, bukas ng pambihira, gandang edad na bibiyagin ka.
Ang tao'y nakataka sa aking magkaiba, naniniwala'y anak ng kakasimpa.
Nakikita ang pagkakaiba, hindi mahalaga, nasa puso ang sining kultura, musika at
guys, napakaraming bisita ngayon. May bisita ngayon na ano eh,